Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn for business. So basically LinkedIn is a website that allows you to hire or post a job. If you are looking for jobs in LinkedIn, you're going to be able to find it perfectly here, whether from individuals or individuals or even companies or agencies, basically, right? So this is like the perfect website in order to get to reach out to more clients, more credible clients. Now, in order to set up for an employer or employee, you need first of all to click on me at the top right and click view profile. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the public profile and URL, and you're gonna need to edit your own URL, basically, right? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and edit my custom URL so it's easier for me and for them to reach out to my profile, basically, right? Now, the second thing that I want to bring to your attention is you need to take a professional selfie. So in order to reach out, or in order for people to get that first impression of you, the professional the professional image of you, you need to take a professional picture. Basically, after you've taken the professional picture, you need to remove the background, which I prefer, but you can keep it if you want to. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to remove background if you don't know how to remove background from your photo. And basically there's a multiple websites that there's a multiple website that can do that for free, basically, right? And you're gonna just go ahead and type remove background online, and basically you're gonna be able to see multiple websites that can be done for free, basically, right? And after you've done removed the background and everything, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just or I want to bring attention that one option if you want to edit that kind of photo that you want to set up as a LinkedIn photo. Probably the the measurement for LinkedIn photo can be a little bit different from other websites. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to Canva, basically, and you're gonna just go ahead into uploading the picture under the LinkedIn measurement or under the LinkedIn scale. So basically Instagram photos or avatars have a different scale from Facebook and LinkedIn, of course. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and cancel this one, and I'm gonna just go ahead and type LinkedIn, all right? LinkedIn, okay? LinkedIn profile, basically, and just type profile photo, and you can set your own profile photo as a as a professional photo for your LinkedIn profile. And you get to be able to add background if you needed to add background for your photos, and templates as well. So basically you're gonna be able to add it and basically save it and add it to your to your LinkedIn profile. So basically that's it. Now if you wanted to the third thing that I want to bring to your attention is you need to upload a LinkedIn banner, right? So people can get to know your work or what do you do for a living, basically. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type right here LinkedIn, right? Background, sorry, LinkedIn, okay, background, right? And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna find LinkedIn backgrounds right here, background photo, so you can set it as a banner for your for your profile, and you get to be able to add templates as well, and as well as the text and everything. Canva can do that all for free, basically, right? And after you've done all of that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just upload the banner onto your onto your LinkedIn. The other thing that I want to mention is you need to edit your intro. So basically the intro in your profile needs to be professional and needs to be more informative. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your profile. And what you're gonna do, basically you get to be able to see how your profile look, what do you do for a living, and all of that stuff. So basically you need to go ahead. Let me scroll a little bit down right here, and basically you're gonna add the industry, education, and you get to be able to edit whatever actually the actual thing that you actually want, basically. So basically you're gonna add your expertise right here, and enter how long have you been there, or if you're still working, or which university or school did you attend. So this is like informative information, so people can know more about you. So basically if you want to do a quick one, which is upload a resume or build a resume right here to your LinkedIn, you can do that, and you get to be able to let other people know who they are dealing with. So basically you get to be able to do that here. So basically right here, as you can see right here, you're gonna see the activity, show all activity, and basically the activity is the post that you share or react to or commented to. Right here you're gonna find it onto your onto your LinkedIn here activity. So basically you get to be able to add all of your experiences, all of your things that you did onto your profile, and basically you get to be able to do that here, basically, right? So after you've done all of that, enter your own the intro and everything. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just see like a contact section right here, if you had it, right? So basically the contact section means that how many people can reach out to you and talk to you and tell you or they are interested in your work. So basically you get to be able to do that here, right here. Click the contact info right here, so people can reach out to you right here. So as you can see right here, I have already added my LinkedIn, and I've already added my email. So this is like my 2 contact info, so people can reach out to me whenever they actually want. So basically this is like the basic stuff about about the LinkedIn website, and you get to be able to add all of your expertise and all of that. And if you want to look for a job, you can to search for keywords like YouTube video editor, and basically they will direct you to the last jobs that you can find right here. So basically that's it. And the location, if you want to add it to remote or a specific location. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.